Hello there. So today in this video I will be showing you 5 cool things you can do with Python, so let's get right into it. Thanks for the support you guys have been giving me recently. It motivates me to keep making more videos like this. But 92% of my viewers are not subscribed, so if you are learning something from me then please make sure to subscribe and support me even more. So at first we have Story Generator. This is really easy to make. Import module called random to randomize your short story. Then add conditions or the way you want your story to be in a list. Now you just got to print it by choosing those datas of lists randomly to make a unique story each time you run it. Pretty easy, right? Let's move further. Here we have the second trick, QRCode Generator. If you are following my videos, you may have already seen this before, but if you are new, congrats, you know how to make those weird thing that has stored all the datas in it. Okay, so now go to the terminal and type in pip install pyqrcode, then import it by typing from pyqrcode import QRCode. Now just store the data you want to put in your QR code in a variable inside a string, it can be link as well. Now type this line of code to make the QR code, and now you just need to save it in a file. You have made it till here, huh? You must be proud of yourself. On to the next one. So this is email slicer. Let's say you want to get names from 100 emails, but you can't manually do it, it would take hours, innit? So this is how you do it in seconds by this 5 lines of code. For making it simple, we will only do 1 emails at a time, so make a place so user can type in and use the strip function to strip the user input. And to get the name, you can simply use this colon to check if there is add the rate till the end, and then it will get the letters that are before add the rate and take it out as name. And to get the domain, you can simply put that colon at the end as done in above variable but with different variable name. After that you can just print it out using formatted strings. Simple, right? Have you ever dreamed of making your own game? Well, you can make it now as a beginner. It's not going to be very good like other games out there, but in fact this is going to be very cool game as a text-based rock, paper, scissors. The code is pretty long, so I would not want to make this video long, but the codes are very easy and same, kinda repeated, so you can just copy paste if you are very excited for it. So what you need to do is import random module as before, and put rock, paper, scissors in a list. Now make the computer to choose random from those 3 choices. After that, put a variable to store the wins of both computer and user so that you can tell who is winning. So we don't want to run the same code again and again, so we will use a while loop for it. Now make the player to input his choice. Now you just need to check the condition again and again but with different choices. And keep adding the computer and player score. And now if the player wants to quit, she can simple type end and then the game will be ended and the final score will be shown. That's it. You made your first game really quickly, right? I hope you enjoyed making these 4 projects as a beginner in Python. Thank you for making it till the end. Best of luck for your further Python journey. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe and comment down below if you like the video and my new voice.